Hello students, welcome to our EVS class. This is the summary of chapter 12, houses. In this chapter, first of all we will discuss about houses. Houses are our basic need. It protects us from harsh weather and dangerous wild animals. Children, what are the two types of houses? Kacha house and Pakka house. Houses have changed with time. With time, the structure and needs of houses have changed. In earlier times, houses were big in which a joint family lived together. People built their houses with the help of mud, straw, bamboo, and grasses. Nowadays, houses are small and compact, and the construction patterns of houses have changed. They are constructed with the help of bricks, cement, marbles, and stones. The models of construction of houses changed as people moved to cities and metros to earn money. This increase in population in cities increased the need for houses. However, the land area was limited. Hence, people started constructing multi-story buildings for their accommodation. Houses in rural areas. Children, look at this picture. This type of houses we can see in rural areas. Houses in urban areas. Children, look at these pictures. These type of houses we can see in urban areas like metropolitan cities. Types of houses. The design and construction of houses depend upon the climate of a particular place and the availability of building materials. Therefore, the type of houses varies from place to place. Sometimes, the economic status of people also influences the way their houses are built. Now let us know about the various types of houses. People in some rural areas of our country live in huts. The walls are made up of mud. The roof is thatched and made from bamboo. The floor of a hut is generally coated with mud and cow dung. In urban areas of our country, people live in flats and bungalows. These are big and strong houses with lawns and gardens. These houses are built with the help of bricks, cement, timber, mortar, tiles, and marbles. In metropolitan cities, multi-storied buildings are constructed which have a large number of houses with many floors and underground parking. In these buildings, all modern facilities are available. Houseboats. Houseboats are generally found on lakes. These houses are made from straw, steel, and aluminium sheets. Houseboats are common in the lakes of Kashmir and Kerala. These houses float on water. Stilt houses. Stilt houses are found in areas where heavy rainfall occurs. These houses are made from straw, planks, bamboos, etc. These houses are made on a raised platform which is much higher than the ground. Wood house. In hilly areas, people build houses with the help of wood. The walls of these houses are made from stones. These houses have sloped roof so that snow and rain can slide down easily. Next, let us discuss about slums. Slums are colonies of small and temporary huts found in some regions of the cities. The walls of these huts are made from bricks and roof from tin sheet. People of these colonies live in unhealthy conditions. The streets are narrow and filled with garbage and stagnant water. These places are suitable for mosquito breeding. In slums, safe drinking water and proper toilet facilities are not available for the people. The government plans to build houses for the urban poor living in slums to raise their standards of accommodation and living. Now let us discuss about materials used for making houses. People use various types of materials to construct their houses. In modern times, bricks, cement, mortar, iron, aluminium sheet, marbles, stones, tiles are used as building materials. The walls are made from bricks, mortar and iron. The walls are painted to look beautiful. The floors are made from bricks, cement, tiles, concretes, etc. to protect them from being damp. The roofs of buildings are made from concrete, stones or tiles. These roofs are strong, heat and damp proof. Some people use tin sheets as the roof. Thank you and have a nice day.